Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest camper reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of smart touring and everyday adventure with the Toyota Camroad ZIL camper. Designed for efficiency, comfort, and practicality, this camper offers a balanced approach to life on the road. First, let's talk about the interior. The Toyota Camroad ZIL camper is well known for its clever use of space, and this model delivers a warm and functional living environment. As you step inside, you're welcomed by a thoughtfully laid out cabin that prioritizes comfort without excess. Durable fabrics, soft touch panels, and quality finishes give the interior a cozy yet modern feel. The living area features a convertible dinette with seating, a compact entertainment setup, and large side windows that allow plenty of natural light. The kitchen is efficiently designed with a gas cooktop, sink, refrigerator, and ample storage for utensils and supplies. Sleeping arrangements include a comfortable bed layout suitable for long trips, while the compact bathroom setup offers essential amenities, ensuring convenience wherever your journey takes you. Now, moving to the exterior, the Toyota Camroad ZIL camper presents a clean and purposeful design. Its box-style camper body is optimized for urban maneuverability, while still providing ample interior space. The exterior finish is durable and travel-ready, designed to withstand varying weather conditions. And a side-mounted awning expands your living space outdoors, perfect for campsite relaxation. Steel wheels with reinforced tires emphasize reliability, while Toyota's branding reinforces its reputation for dependability. Built on a proven ladder frame chassis, the Camroad ZIL offers excellent stability and confidence, whether navigating city streets or scenic backroads. Every exterior element is designed with practicality and longevity in mind. When it comes to performance, the Toyota Camroad ZIL camper focuses on reliability and efficiency rather than outright power. It is powered by a dependable 2.8-liter four-cylinder diesel engine, delivering smooth and consistent performance for long-distance travel. Whether cruising on highways or climbing through mountain roads, this camper provides a confident and controlled driving experience. The suspension system is tuned for comfort, reducing fatigue over extended journeys. Paired with a smooth automatic transmission, the Camroad ZIL maintains easy drivability, even for first-time camper owners. Toyota's safety and driver assist features further enhance confidence, making this camper easy to manage in tight parking areas and busy environments. Finally, let's discuss the price. The Toyota Camroad ZIL camper positions itself as an accessible yet capable camper option. With a starting price typically around $80,000 to $100,000 depending on configuration, it offers strong value for those seeking dependable travel without entering the ultra-luxury category. The price reflects Toyota's build quality, proven mechanical reliability, and well-thought-out camper features. Investing in the Camroad ZIL isn't about extravagance, it's about freedom, reliability, and smart adventure. To sum up, the Toyota Camroad ZIL camper is a practical and well-balanced solution for travelers who value efficiency, comfort, and proven reliability. Whether you're planning weekend escapes or extended road trips, the Camroad ZIL delivers a dependable and enjoyable camper experience. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in camper and automotive excellence.